A very good day to all my listeners all across the world. Welcome back to my podcast, George Nathaniel, and this is George Nathaniel for each one of you. Thank you for coming in and listening to my podcast, and of course, giving me a lot of feedbacks to come back with topics that you want me to talk about. Well, today I have a nice topic, and the topic is called Reminder, Routine, Reward. Well, this is a wonderful topic for each one of us all across life. Reminder, routine, reward is a great way that can impact our habits to succeed in everything that we do in our day-to-day advancements, and most importantly, looking at enhancing our skills, giving us a clearer picture on reaching our goals. Well, life's journeys never stops to keep coming up with challenges. And when you look at reminder, routine, and reward, time and again, it is very important for us to understand that we need to build a focus over our goals that we are working or involved in. We need to maintain our motivation and the momentum to keep going strong, and we need to change the environment. So when I say change the environment, I say we need to keep putting in different ways of excelling in our work. Well, there's a good advice that's floating around or trending everywhere. The advice goes like this: if you can't change the results around you, start changing the course of action. Well, this is a beautiful, beautiful advice. And coming back to this advice, I would say there are some factors that also relate to this advice. And when I look at factors, I would say very basic factors such as change. So when I say change, we need to renew our efforts time and again. We need to readapt to new processes. We need to be energized. And when I say energized, we need to always find new ways to reinvent ourselves. We always need to be totally on the top of our game. Results at the end of it matters. So we need to be committed to our goals. We need to understand that yes, time and again there will be challenges, but that shouldn't stop us at any point of time. Remember, continuity and consistency rewards. So whatever you're doing, be patient. Success will follow over course. Reminder, routine, and reward is as simple as never be hard or harsh on oneself too soon. Remember, there's a time and place for everything, and the best of things takes time. So looking at it, what are the steps that we should adapt to? What are the best steps or process ahead? Well, when you visualize your current position, understand the need for action. When we trigger acceleration to scale faster or catching up on covering our grounds, we need to also evaluate what are we triggering or where do we need to accelerate. When we review our strategies to succeed, it is very important to understand what kind of strategies are we reviewing, because there are technical and non-technical strategies as well. So listeners, as you know, I keep my podcast very simple, very generic, so that each one of us can get some kind of takeaways from it. So reminder, routine, and reward is a nice subject. And when you look at it in our personal lives, our professional lives, or anything that we are connected to in our involvements across life, what are the key takeaways that define our purpose? Well, to begin with, I'd say it's very, very important for us to expand our mindset on our actionable goals. And when we expand our mindset on our actionable goals, you look at it one simple word. It's called TICK, T-I-C-K. And when I have to work on the abbreviation of trick and TICK, I would say TICK is as simple as train the action to perform, improve the areas over results, Click on Inspired Growth to succeed and kickstart new goals. So tick is very important for us in all our key takeaways in life. So train, improve, click and kickstart. Remember, it's very common that we overthink or we build things out of proportion or bigger than they actually exist. Let's be realistic. Stay upbeat. Be focused on our decisions. Be bold in the manner that we put our action forward by giving our best efforts over anything that we do in life. So reward is important, but it only comes with reminders time and again. It comes with routine times and again. That actually leads to reward. And when I look at reminder, routine, reward, and what are the best ways to nurture good decisions, I would say start with a better you. Start with an improved you. Start with bettering your efforts to reach your goals faster. And remember, there's a very famous saying, a very famous quote. It says, don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. It's a very, very beautiful phrase. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. And like I said earlier, if you can't change the results around, start by changing the course over action. So reminder, routine and reward is the best habit that needs to be repeated time and again. We need to keep it in loop. This is something that we need to be consistent with. Something that we need to grow with time and again. No matter how much of success we see, no matter how much failures we go through, reminder, routine and reward is something that is always fulfilling. So listeners, as you know, I keep my podcast very simple, very generic and very precise. I hope you like listening to my podcast, and of course it helps you over your course of life in bettering your life, in bettering your goals, in achieving greater results in everything that you're doing. And as you know, my podcast is all about wellness. It's about sharing all the goods in terms of our experiences, in terms of our takeaways, and helping each other grow faster in life. And most importantly, it's about sharing happiness and sharing wellness all across life. I hope you like listening to this episode of Reminder, Routine and Reward. And I wish each one of you greater success in everything that you are doing in life. Keep scaling newer heights, keep taking up newer goals. And remember, time and again, we will keep celebrating together. Thank you for listening to my podcast, George Nathaniel, which is available across all platforms. And I also have my blog website, which is called georgenathaniel.net. Come in, listen to my podcast on any of the platforms or read my blog site and come in with your requests, which I'll be more than happy to talk about or share about. So here's wishing each one of you greater success, greater happiness and all wellness across. This is George Nathaniel. Thank you so much.